So this is an update video on Dogecoin. This is actually the second one I've done today. It's been a crazy day for Dogecoin. It is absolutely just been crazy. It's been up 30+% today, if not higher. It actually touched 60 cents today at some point. It's currently right now around 54 cents, give or take, in that scenario. What I'm going to be bringing you, though, is a specific piece of content that talks about, really, it's number one, it's talking about all the hype and everything going around it, but it talks about if you had invested $1,000 in Dogecoin at the beginning of the year, which was only 4 months ago, approximately, you would have returned $100,000. And there's some more interesting, there's just more interesting content around that. So that's what we're going to cover. That's why I wanted to bring this video to you. Couldn't wait till tomorrow. I wanted to bring it to you now so that you guys who are subscribing here to my channel could check it out. Again, you know me, I'm here. I'm basically going to be bringing you at least a one Doge video a day now for the foreseeable future. It's crazy how much is going on around this. This content and this video is for entertainment purposes only. My name is Austin Hilton. I'm a 30+ year investor. If you've never ran into me before, consider subscribing. Drop a like on this video. Please do so. Because I'm here to help you make money in the cryptocurrency market as well as stock market. I've got a ton of content here on my channel, and I'm just here to make it, here to help you, navigate these waters and make everything better. So I want to start off with this video by talking about really three things that I think are adding into the overall scenario of why Doge is emerging as one of the top cryptocurrencies. I know it's fourth as far as market cap, behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and one other that just escapes me right this second. But I think that Doge is evolving as the everyman's cryptocurrency. There's three things going into play here. Number one, we have this absolutely rabid community, and I use the word rabid in a positive light. I'm not saying it in a bad way. Rabid means that the community around Dogecoin, the people that own it, they love it, they're emotionally tied to it, it's a personal scenario, it's just this magnificent, keyword magnificent, use it in a sentence today, freak somebody out. It's this magnificent community that's rallied around this cryptocurrency and just ardently believe in it. That's number one. And by the way, and that translates into buying more, holding longer, being invested, riding the highs, things like that. Okay, number two, we have the celebrity factor. We have Elon going on SNL this coming Saturday. We have Mark Cuban going on The Ellen Show. We have major people on Twitter. There's even I think a rap star that just mentioned it. I can't remember his name. Again, it escapes me. I read so much Dogecoin information; it's crazy. There's just a lot of the celebrity factor, and I think that's only going to continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, just think if we pick up somebody like The Rock or somebody like that, it's just going to explode, right? Thirdly, Dogecoin is evolving as a everyday currency. Okay, there's the Mark Cuban's basketball team. They're approaching 6,000 plus transactions. There are additional companies and organizations picking it up every single day. I'm going to start bringing you more of those, by the way. I'm going to really start monitoring Twitter on a go-forward basis and bring you more of those as they evolve, because I think that's newsworthy as it relates to, as we see Doge evolve into an everyday transaction cryptocurrency asset, right? And I think that's what's going to continue to evolve as well. So a ton of Dogecoin stuff going on. I can't believe I'm doing a second video today, but it's just out there, and I know you guys will want this content, and I'm here to bring it to you. So with all that said, let's go take a look at what I got for you. So as I mentioned, we're currently trading at around 54 cents right now. I'm not going to spend any time on the chart. You guys know, I just wanted to update you on what's going on. That was up 29%. We hit a high today of 58%, 58 cents. Actually, we did hit 60 cents, so this is off a little bit, and we had a low where we basically started somewhere in that area. 40 cents. Okay, here's what I wanted to show you. $1,000 bet on Dogecoin to start 2021 now tops the average U.S. income. Listen to this. And some of this I'm just going to read verbatim because it's just cool, okay? Look at this. It took Amazon 13 years to deliver a 10,000 return to investor. It has now taken Dogecoin 5 months. Can you believe that? I mean, that's absolutely crazy that we now have a comparison to Amazon, 13 years to deliver a 10,000 return, and now Dogecoin is in that really rarefied space. Okay, so it's just crazy. Hit a new all-time high of 60 cents. I knew we hit the high of 60 cents. Pushing our market cap north of 70 billion to become the fourth most one. Look, that market cap is larger than the company Moderna, one of the companies shipping COVID-19 vaccines to save the world from the pandemic. Right here, what I talked about in the intro. It means a $1,000 bet placed on Doge to begin the year when its price was around half of 1 penny would now be worth more than $100,000. In fact, at 56 cents, that Dogecoin seemed to stabilize around on Tuesday. The position would be worth $103,000 to be exactly, which is more than the average income household of $69,000. That 1,000 bet on Dogecoin could have delivered about 1.5 times the average household income in just 5 months. Look at this crate. If you invested $1,000 the following on January 1, you'd have this much as of May 1. So look, if you'd invested $1,000 in Tesla, you'd have 907. Whoops, sorry about that. If you had invested that same 1,000 into GameStop, you'd have 8,900. That same 1,000 into Bitcoin, you'd have 1,900. That same 1,000 into Dogecoin, you'd have $103,000. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, cool. It's a staggering way to think about more than 10,000% rally. The cryptocurrency, which was founded as a joke. I wish they'd quit saying that. Has been together a year. Dozens of tweets from Elon. We know about all that. We know Mark Cuban. We know he went out and talked about it on the Ellen. I've covered all that. But look at this. This actually is a really cool chart. So I thought this was really cool. On February 4, 2021, Elon Musk's tweets, "Dogecoin is the people's crypto," and look, it immediately spiked. Okay, then we kind of chilled out. We settled around. April 15th, Elon tweets, "Doge barking at the moon," and look. Bam. Look at that. Look at that run up. It went from around 6-7 cents to 37 cents. And then you've got Mark Cuban saying it's better than a lottery ticket. And right in here, you've got Elon about to go on SNL, and it just continues to skyrocket. This is a great chart. I think this is awesome. Okay. So it isn't all hype, okay? Oh, and I knew this. This was something I meant to tell you. The Oakland A's today joined the Dallas Mavericks in becoming another sports franchise to accept Dogecoin. So we've got the beginning of sports teams that are high profile. The fact that this is happening right here is a big deal, guys. The Oakland A's are starting to take it now as a form of payment. He went on to Twitter to confirm the A's processed the first Dogecoin transaction in MLB history on Monday. Last month, Monday. Last month, the team also processed its first Bitcoin transaction when it sold a suite for the single game. That's pretty cool. All right. So let's see. Doge could feature. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got the SNL thing. Let's not forget Doge. Genesis story is not far from detached from SNL. Was formed as a joke. Okay, we don't need to hear all that. Let me make sure there's anything else real here that we care about. Okay, so that's really what I wanted to cover. There's really nothing else in this story that I want to cover. So here's what I want to wrap up with. Okay, I've said this in my previous Doge video today. All right, now I just want to shoot straight with you. We've got everything going around. We've got everything going around with what's going on. Right, we got Elon going on Saturday. We got this great run up today, 30%. We got people that are even getting more frenzied about it. My advice to you is this. Whatever you put into it, maybe if you put 500,000, whatever you put into it, you might want to get that money back out. Just basically, recoup your initial investment. That way, you are whole, and you're basically playing with the house money, to use a Vegas analogy. I'm only telling you this in the context of I want you to be aware that we might have a run up, maybe $1. We might hit $1.50. I don't have any idea. This is absolutely crazy. I can't give you really a good prediction. We might have a run up here up to when Elon goes on SNL, and maybe even after that, and then we may have a sell-off. That's all I'm trying to convey to you. That is entirely possible. I'm not trying to say that to be a Debbie Downer, to do anything. I'm just trying to help you be aware that that could happen, okay? And that I want to be protecting you guys a little bit and just making you aware that could happen. So keep your eyes open and just keep your eye on the ball and protect yourself from any downside risk in this scenario. And then ride out the fun. It's fun to be involved. It's fun to be doing this and to be bringing you this news and just to be in this. This is really cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll continue to bring these to you because there's a ton of information. There's a lot of stuff going around, and it's awesome to see this. So you guys know I'm extremely bullish on this Dogecoin scenario and everything going on around it, and it's really cool. I consider myself to be part of the community, and being here help to continue to educate you guys on everything going on around the Dogecoin market and mania. Here we go. Go make more money than you have today. Go make more money than you have today. Go make some money. That's what I meant to say. See you. Bye.